Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to be making lamb and lentil curry. It is divine, one of my favorites. Let's get on with it. So let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So I've got my dal there, it's already cooked. That's a red tor dal. Once you cook it, it actually turns that kind of yellow color. It cooks very quickly, so give it a rinse in some water and then boil it up with a touch of salt, not too much, and it will cook in like 5 or 6 minutes. Lamb, no bone, a little bit of fat on it, which I like, cut into nice small pieces. I've roughly got equal parts there, as you can see. That's about 400 grams of the lamb, and that's about 3 cups of cooked lentils. Fresh chili to taste, 2 tomatoes chopped, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, 1 large onion chopped, the big 4, 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, coriander, chili and cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 1 nicely sized red chili. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of pan or pot or something. I'm going to do it in here so it's clear for you guys. Medium heat. I'm going to start this off today with some ghee, like a tablespoon of ghee. You could use just oil if you wanted to. Just going to let that melt down. And as it does, we're going to drop in that chili and the cumin seeds. Beautiful. Let them do their thing just for a few seconds there. Then we're going to go in with the onion. And we're going to add our lamb now. You can use any part of lamb you want. It doesn't have to be really high quality because we're going to cook this for some time. Okay, so above medium heat here, 4 minutes, keep it moving, see you then. Okay, so it's just starting to get a bit of colour on it. Now I'm going to add in our garlic ginger paste and I'm going to add salt, and I'm also going to be adding some black pepper to this one. Nice pinches there. Okay, keep going, medium heat, another 4 minutes, stirring often. Fabulous stuff. Now, time for that tomato. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. Let's get in our fresh chili to taste, and then we're going to drop in our spices. If you wanted, you could use a curry powder, the mix you have, but I'm going 2 teaspoons coriander, chili, cumin, and turmeric. What we're going to do now is cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down, and they may well give off a little bit of moisture depending on how juicy and ripe your tomato is. This is going to be absolutely divine. Isn't that looking fantastic? Those tomatoes broken down nicely. Now time for our cooked lentils. I'm using this red dal, which, like I say, once you cook it, turns that beautiful color, as you can see there. We're going to give this a nice little mix. We're going to get some water in this in a second. I just want to get it mixed in a little bit. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this actually. It's delicious, this one. Water in. Nice little mix. Down to a simmer now. Nice low heat. What we're going to do is we're going to pop a lid on this and we're going to walk away for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check it every now and then. You might need to top it up a little bit with some more water. And the consistency is up to you. You can get it nice and thick if you want. Okay. Lid on. See you in about 25 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there for you. That is looking beautiful. That is looking really, really beautiful. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. That meat's going to be nice and tender now. And again, it depends on the quality of the lamb that you've used. You might need to cook it a bit longer. Fresh cilantro or coriander. Little mix. If you want some garam masala powder. But that's lovely. Let me get that on the table. Steaming hot, absolutely wonderful. I really, really love that one. Get some rice on, get some roti, get some chapati or something like that. That's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That does help us out a great deal. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.